Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And I mean, I'm not here to beat around the bush. I'm not here to rub salt in the wounds or anything, but this one's looking very, very sketchy. Looks like it might have just been a pump and dump. I'm still not willing to quite call it a pump and dump, and I'll explain what I mean by that. And don't get me wrong, no price can go straight up. Everything needs to have pullbacks. Everything needs to have, consolidations. So it's not just because the price has gone down. It's just a matter of, it's getting a little ridiculous how far the price has gone. And I'm going to adjust this level down here to this 18-cent mark, which I would call my must-hold level, do or die. And not saying this will occur, but the reason 18 cents is very important is, let's say that the price does, continue on down, gets to 18, and then just continues. At that point, from a very literal perspective, the price is right back inside of this range of the chart that it just broke out of. So in other words, the price made an awesome move, because I'll be the first to admit this here was a very, very impressive move. But then within the time span of just a couple of days, the price goes right back to where it started. At that point, that's the epitome of a pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump towards the company and that they're being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I'm just saying based on how the price is acted. So from a price action perspective, if that 18-cent mark does not hold up, then yeah, that at least in my opinion, totally puts it on pump and dump status. Now, also to be fair to those people that care about the big picture of things, the price could come down to 18, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. And in that situation, again, to those that care about the big picture, that'd give you a set of lows there. The previous set of lows was down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, there we go. Now you got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as that 18-cent mark. So it's not like it's totally a pump and dump right now. But yeah, I think we'd all agree things are getting a little bit sketchy because the price is so close to potentially going right back to where it all started. So again, pullbacks are fine, but there does reach a point where it's like, okay, price, you pulled back enough. That's plenty healthy. And that's definitely where this chart's at. So we'll see if the bulls can try to get things back under control or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.